Happy New Year's, y'all. Hey, I know it's been a while, but I'm still doing what I do. I know y'all see me back here, and I got all this stuff going on. There's my kitchen back there, waiting on my cabinets. Anyway, uh, so long story short, I had to deal with a pipe bursting in my house, and I was trying to get stuff done. And unfortunately for me, when you're dealing with insurance companies, they want you to use a contractor so they can kind of control costs. It's just a plight for them to save money. And they really don't want anybody doing their own work because they feel like you are making a profit or something off of them. So the deal is that I can do all of this stuff and have done all of this stuff, myself, obviously. But getting contractors to to work for you, man, it is very, very hard to find good work. When I say good work, I'm talking about professional work. This costs thousands of dollars to get good work, y'all, and um, it's hard. And I give you an example here. I had everything painted over here, and I was on the contractor about painting the paint, bleeding through, just poor job. Paint looked like shit to me. And I had them to look at it. I already knew what the issue was. And all I was just telling them, man, don't look right, do it, fix it. And they came and they painted this thing. Guess how many times they painted it? 5 times. Painted this shit 5 times. So much so where they got pissed and they didn't want to come back. And they were blaming the paint. I was like, hey, man, the paint that y'all use is bleeding through. They wanted to blame the paint. And I kept telling them, it's not the paint, it's the painters. Whoever you use as your painters, they don't know shit. They don't know how to do this. And in a nutshell, they needed to prime this damn thing before they painted it. And then on the paint that they have, let me show you. What does this say? A primer coat may be needed on some surfaces. See back label for details. Already knowing this. I'm already knowing what the situation is. But for me, if I'm paying money, I'm not here to teach you. You're not gonna learn. I'm not gonna pay to teach y'all how to do shit. You know what? You're gonna paint it. So paint it 5, paint it. I would have had them paint it 6 times, except that I need to get moving because I need to get back into my space. But they painted it. What they needed to have done was prime it properly, but they didn't. And they spent a whole lot of money to where the contractor is talking about he spent so much money on paint and labor for them to do it and do it over, took the paint back. They didn't want to take the paint back. I told them from the beginning, it's not the paint, it's the painters. So they're not even using professionals out here. I think you'll get the same result. You'll get better results because you doing it yourself. And if you do enough research, you'll know how to do it. These people, just because they say that they're painters and they come over with some paint stained clothing on and their last name is Garcia, you think that they some fucking professionals, and it's not the case. That is not the case. Living it. So I got them all out. They sent some other people here, asked the guys some certain questions, and I already know they were some bullshit artists also. So it's hard finding good people. And I know I type for a living. I work in an office, but I've been doing this for years. So I told the contractor that, they try to run things over me, on me. And I told him that, look here, man, I built this place. These are light switches. I built this, everything about it. Look at we got the little rain shower. Look at all of that. You don't even have knobs in here. I can talk to you. I can talk to this thing. I can talk to my shower. I got intricate details. I go in here, look at all that without using one contractor. Not an electrician, not a plumber, not a carpenter, not a painter, tile person, none of that. All by myself. So when you can go in and do something like that and use the software to hook it up to your phone and your voice, Google or Alexa, when you can do all that by yourself, now you're sitting at the table with the big boys. You're sitting at the table with the big boys when you can do that. If you're not, you can't do that, then maybe sit your ass down and listen to somebody that knows more than you. That's all I got to say about it. I'm gonna leave it like that. Uh, I'm I'm glad the insurance company is out of the mix. I get to go ahead, finish this thing off. I'm gonna get some good quality work. You know, I had to put the floors in, had to put the tile, got carpet. I'm doing the carpet next, all on my own. So that is a testament to you guys. You can't be assuming somebody's a professional because they charging you something. And then these people have the nerve to charge you top dollar and they giving you sub performance on their work. No better than a DIY person. So that's my spiel on it. Happy New Year's to everybody. I got a lot of stuff coming in. Got these cabinets that I'm gonna be detailing or showing you how to get them in there. Got a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be doing, trying to get this done the early part of the year and be done with it. See y'all in the next video.